When I was in middle school and we had to take home ec classes, I sewed my very first sewing project, and it was a super simple, very basic lunch bag. And I remember the fabric. It was an animal printed, like jungle themed fabric, and I was hooked. From then on, it was a lifelong, or it has been a lifelong sewing addiction. Hey, I'm Sonia, co-creator of Sustain My Craft Habit. If sewing has always been a skill that you've wanted to try and you just didn't know where to start, or you're too intimidated, or you're worried about the cost, or if you're just looking to be reintroduced to sewing, this course, Sewing with Success for Beginners, is perfect for you. For almost 10 years, we've been sharing sewing project ideas and sewing patterns on sustainmycrafthabit.com, and over the years, we've been asked a lot of questions, but just about the sewing basics. So in this course, you're going to learn everything you need to do to get started. We'll go through all of the required accessories and tools, as well as getting you comfortable with the sewing machine. We're going to take you through the different types of fabrics and the various stitch types that you're going to come across and you'll need to know, and all the necessary basic skills you're going to need to get actual projects done. In this course, you're going to get access to 6 video modules, and these videos are really jam-packed with information and tips and techniques. They're bite-sized and straight to the point, and they're going to really keep you motivated and make you feel confident to take on the next sewing project. You will also get printable workbook guides to help you, as well as printable patterns to make 3 separate projects: an apron, a tote bag, and a quilted toiletry bag. You're also going to get access to a Facebook group for the Sewing with Success for Beginners, because there's nothing more fun than sharing the projects and creations that you've made with others. Let's dive right in.